The Philippines, where I'm from, has over 7,100 islands. And if you think that's a lot, wait until you hear this. There's a country in Europe that has over 267,000 islands. And I saw some of them from the plane on my way in. Welcome to Stockholm, the capital city of Sweden. As usual, I woke up early today to check out the old town, or Gamla Stan as we call it here. Apparently, because this place was not bombed during World War II, they didn't need to do any reconstruction after the war, unlike other European cities. So the buildings here look exactly as they were back in the day. So you've got these beautiful buildings and narrow streets which remained untouched for a very long time. Speaking of narrow streets, this here is the narrowest street in Stockholm, measuring about 37 inches. I wouldn't go in because I'm scared that I wouldn't fit. So this is the main square. You've got beautiful buildings just behind me. You've got the Nobel Prize Museum on that side. You've got beautiful cafes all around. And you've also got fountain just right there. These water fountains remind me of that ones in Rome and in Bulgaria. So let's go have a go at drinking from it. Oh wow, it's cold. I've just walked out of it, and just behind me is the Royal Palace. It's the official residence of Sweden's monarch. So that's the old town. It's not really that big of a place. You can explore it in, I'd say, an hour. So anyway, I'm gonna head back to the hotel and have breakfast. So I'm back from breakfast, so let's continue exploring the city. I'm just on my way to an island which apparently has the most amazing view of the city. And because we're having a glorious day today, the weather's been really warm and it's sunny, I've decided to walk instead of take a ferry. There's a bridge that connects the island to the mainland. So yeah, let's go. I think we're here. That was such a hike. At one point, I actually thought that I was lost because the road goes to a little bit more residential area and it feels like I was trespassing on someone else's property. I started to question Google's direction, but this time it was actually correct. So we're here. You've got the old part of the city. It's called Gamla Stan. You get the new part, you get the boats, you've got the water. This is Stockholm. This part is actually just a rock, and everyone will just come here for a picnic. And I'm really surprised that there's no litter around, like there's no garbage. You can't see anything. There is another viewpoint much closer to the old town, so I'm gonna head down there now. So they've created this walk path on the edge of the island so that you can see the old town and the new part of town as well. It's just quite amazing. Oh wow. Imagine if you live there. That's your balcony. Aha! This is another really nice viewpoint. It offers a different vantage point from the one we've seen earlier. You got the Gamla Stan, which is the old town, really close up, and you've got the newer part of the city. Amazing! I'm really surprised that there's not a lot of people here. It's a perfect place to see the whole of Stockholm, and then no one's here. Good for me. I might just sit here for a bit and enjoy the view before heading off to the next island. In the past year and a bit since I've started doing my travels, I've tried to avoid going to Scandinavian countries because it's just too expensive. However, there's one thing that's happening today that made me come here, and that's the Midsummer Festival. And I'm just on my way there now. This is a really nice shaded area. When you're walking in the sun, it's just too much sometimes, so it's nice that you have it here. So I'm now in the island where the Midsummer Festival is being held. This island is called Skansen, and it's beautiful. So look at that. And then in front of me is a Nordic museum. The building looks so epic, it's so like Nordic. So it looks like this island is full of museums. There's another one just next to me. It's called Biologiska Museet, which probably means biology museum. They've got the ABBA museum here. They've got the Vasa museum here. So yeah, loads of museums. So this is the map of the whole area. It's called Skansen. We're here. The Midsummer Festival will be here later. And then apparently there's a concert here at like 3 o'clock. Most of these places are catered towards children, but the most important thing today is the Midsummer Festival. They actually have a funicular that takes you to the center of the island, but it's 35 kroner, so I've decided to just walk. It's a nice day out anyway. Just walk into a rose garden and it smells really nice. It smells really nice. You can almost taste it. If you guys have seen the Midsummer film, that place at the end where they burn one of the main characters, it looks exactly like this. So I'm gonna stay away from this place. everyone here is just trying to make their own headgear from that. So I think I'm just gonna join them. The festivities is about to start. They've now put up the maypole and the dancing will commence soon. Let's go join them in dancing. Why not?
So now we are going to dance.
This is proper organized chaos. Oh my god, come here! Sorry.
Yes, I can also do that.
I'm not sure what's happening. We were just.
Can I make like this?
Yeah.
Hey.
I think we're stuck. The link is broken. I have no idea where the people behind me are. Oh yeah. I feel like I'm the last one. I'm leading the pack. This way. Reset. It didn't work the first time. Oh, that was so much fun. Everyone was just chill, in good spirit, friendly and happy. So that was good. I'm so happy that I actually joined them. I mentioned earlier that there's so many islands in Sweden. I'm going to one of them now because I feel like I need to take a dip because it's so warm today. I'm now in a queue to get in a boat to another island called Fjaderholmarna. I'm sure I'm not pronouncing that right, but I'm hoping that there's a place there where you can go for a swim. "30 minutes later and I'm here." I need to find a beach or somewhere where I could go for a swim. Otherwise, I'm just gonna find a restaurant and stay there until 6. This looks promising. I feel like if anything, this is the place where I can find somewhere to swim. I found what I thought would be a perfect place to go for a swim, but seagulls apparently nest there, so they actually attacked me. Right, let's find another one. So I think I found the best place to go swimming, and I'm gonna go in the water in a minute. So I think I'm gonna end today's video here. Let's continue exploring Stockholm tomorrow. I will see you then. Kita kids, or as you say here in Stockholm, vi ses!